Miss Suman's SG classes. After a big time success of my previous video where we multiplied 99 with single digit numbers, I will share the link of this video right here so that you guys can have a lot of help looking at that video and understanding the concept completely. This video will help us to multiply double-digit numbers. So let's get started. 13 times 32. So the very first thing we will do is we will multiply the tens number together. 1 times 3 is 3. Then we will multiply the ones number. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we have to fill this middle gap. For this to happen, what we will do here is I am going to multiply 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then I will be multiplying the outer corner numbers, that is 1 plus 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. So what we will do, 11 means one goes here and the other one goes on the top. So of course now you know the answer, 416. Great job. The very first step is to multiply the tens number to the tens number, ones number to the ones number, and then the middle two numbers and the corner two numbers. Let's look at the second example. Let's take a look here. We said tens to tens, that is this. 4 times 2 is 8. Ones to ones, 3 times 3 is 9, right here. Now we have to figure the middle number, and in order to do that, we said the corner ones together. 4 times 3 is 12, plus the middle ones, 3 times 2 is 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. 8 goes here, 1 goes on the top. The answer should be 989. Look at this. Look at the way we are flying. We are doing these multiplications quicker than we can imagine. Let's keep practicing and look at 2 more examples. So the next example is tens to tens, that is 8. Ones to ones, that is 14. The 4 goes here, the 1 goes on the top already. Now we will figure out what to write in the middle. The 2 to the 4, that is 8, and the corner numbers, that is 2 to 7, that is 14. Now you all know 14 plus 8 is 22. 2 goes here, 2 goes on the top. The answer will be 4310. That is 1034. I am very sure by now you have a pretty good idea what we are doing. So we are working on 3 steps. The first step is tens to tens, ones to ones, and finally we're gonna multiply the corner two and the middle two. Let's take a look at the last example. 2 times 6 is 12. So I'm gonna write the whole number here, 12. 8 times 2 is 16. I'm gonna write 6 here and 1 on the top. Now, as you all know, we will look for the number in the middle. How we do that? 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus 2 times 2, it is 4. 48 plus 4 is 52. 2 goes right here. 5 goes on the top. What is your answer? 6, 3, and 17. I am sure if you want, you can take a look once again at all the 3 steps just to check your answer. And the answer is 1736. So my dear friends, keep practicing. The more you practice, we should be able to figure out 2 digits multiplication with 2 digits within 3 seconds. This is our goal, and I'm very sure you all will be able to reach there. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. See you soon with more wonderful tips and tricks.